Hi, my name is Andrea Mitchell, and I just want to walk through a few parts of our compensation plan and some things that are happening this month in the month of July. And I figured out a way that if you are new, if you've been here a while, you're going to make some money. But if you are new, how you can earn almost $2,000 by helping change 9 lives and helping them change some lives as well. So let's start with a few things first, okay? The first thing I want to talk about in our compensation plan actually isn't in this $2,000 that we're talking about. This is just side money, extra money, and money that feels like I helped some people. They didn't sign up the same way I did, but that's okay. They're going to get started on some products. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is commissions, which are sales commissions. Our retail rewards commissions is the same as sales commissions. And it's based on personal volume, which is just a volume that is earned from each commissionable product. There are some that are not commissionable that you or your customers purchase. So these are retail, which is full price, one-time orders, or preferred customer orders, which is a reoccurring customer order, and you get a little bonus on those as well, but we won't talk about that right now. So an ambassador must have $100, so you must have $100 in customer orders each month. Guess what? That can be your personal order. So my family orders Slim, ProBio 5, BioCleanse, Active, the new Kids Mega, and Kids Chewables, and all of the things. And so we easily hit $100 based on where you are. You may be trying out 2 or 3 products and you might not quite hit that $100 mark. That's all right. Go find a customer or 2. You'll help change their lives with the products and you'll hit that $100 threshold. So after your first $100, you earn 15% commissions on all customer sales, retail and preferred. And that can be your step as well. So if you're like me and you're spending maybe a couple of $100s on what your family needs, you're getting 15% back after that first 100. So everything that goes through your referral website, your own purchases, or maybe your next door neighbor's purchase of Slim and ProBio 5, whatever it looks like. When you reach $500 or more in PV through your site, after that first 100, you earn 25% commissions on the remaining $400 plus on all customer sales, the retail and preferred that we talked about through your referral website. Just so you know, the payout on this is by the 20th of the following month, usually earlier, but just to give them some time, it's by the 20th of the following month on the monthly commissions check. It's a fun little bonus. So next we're going to talk about a big fun one, business building bonuses, BBBs. These are new ambassador commissions. And what it is you get commissioned on that welcome pack. When you signed up, you got a welcome pack. Now, every time someone signs up with you and you encourage them to get that one-time best deal ever on a pack of products, on a system that's really going to change their lives, then you get a commission on that one-time sale. So let's talk about it. When a new ambassador joins the company, they may purchase one welcome pack for either $99 or $199. Welcome packs can only be purchased once and at a special bargain price and may be purchased anytime within the first 30 days of becoming an ambassador. But let's be honest, doing it at sign up is the smartest way to do it. The new ambassador does not earn commission on the welcome pack, so the person signing up doesn't. However, for the $99 welcome packs, $20 is distributed to the qualified upline ambassador. That's you if you're the one signing them up. For a $199 welcome pack purchase, $25 is distributed to the qualified upline ambassador. Plus, Plexus points are distributed on both the $99 welcome packs and the $199 welcome packs right now. In addition, the new ambassador will now be qualified for commissions in the month with either a $99 or a $199. Which is so important because you want them to start getting those customer commissions we talked about and everything else we're about to talk about. The payout on these is fun, but it's by the Friday of the following week on the weekly commissions check. So say it's Thursday and you sign up a couple of people today, by next Friday, you'll get a check. It's amazing. Okay, this is so much fun as soon as you understand it. It's called our Plexus Pay Points, and it's really our profit sharing plan. So at the end of each month, the Plexus Pay Point, which I've given you a chart here, is added up and multiplied by the value of the Plexus Pay Point for that month, as you can see. By sponsoring new qualified ambassadors and by assisting existing ambassadors in your organization to sponsor new qualified ambassadors, you will increase the number of pay points. Essentially, the more people you add and the more people your team adds, the more points get added up. Say you have 5 people in your 1 through 3s, that's 25 points. Say you have 5 people in your level 5s, that's 15 points. Good math. So it all adds up. The value of a Plexus point is determined by dividing the total number of Plexus points across the whole company, all ambassadors in a single month, and the total amount of money in the ambassador pool for that month. So the pool, just so you know, is based on all of those sales that we talked about in the first slide for customers. So all of that profit goes into a pool, and then we get to split it all up based on our points. So the point value ranges from about $2.50 to $3. We've seen it higher. I've never seen it lower than $2.50, but it is totally based on customer sales and then dividing it by number of people. And the more people we have in momentum, the more points that are out there. So these are included in that monthly commission check that we talked about. So when the month closes, those sales commissions plus these pay points for your whole month will all be included in that check. Okay, let's talk about something new and something exciting. This is our Fast Start program. And this is really, we're really going to dig into and understand, because I want you to get started the right way with a really big check. And these will help with really big checks. Okay, the first thing is silver. So silver is a rank. It's just a name when you get 3 people, when you help 3 people or you send 3 people your referral link. Let's say your mom, maybe your husband, maybe your sister or your best friend. So these are the 3 easiest people probably to get signed up. For me, it was my sister, a mom from my kids' school, and a girl I went to high school with. So we all sign up our first 3 a little differently. But if you do this in your first 30 days, you get not only $100 for ranking to silver, but you get an additional $100 for doing it in your first 30 days. Now, if you help, or your team, now that you've got 3 people, helps a total of 10 people get started, that's senior silver. And if you do it in that first full month that you have, so whatever your first full month is, if you hit senior silver in that first calendar month, guess what? You get $150 for ranking anytime, but then you get another $150 for doing it in that first calendar month. And if you help a total of 20 people, which I'll show you how easy that's going to be in this month, it just adds up bigger and bigger. So 20 people in this month on your team, if this is within your second calendar month, so say you signed up in June, then July would be your first calendar month. Say you signed up in May, then July would be your second calendar month. And if you sign up this month, you're still in all 3 of these, your first 30 days, your first calendar month, and before your second calendar month. You get a $250 bonus for ranking to gold. Again, 20 ambassadors on your team. And you get what we call a Fast Start achievement for doing it before the end of your second calendar month. It's a total of $500. Okay. Now, just this month, the month of July, we have a special going on. For every 3 new ambassadors you add, you get $100. So if you add 9, you get $300. Cool thing about these is as soon as you hit each level of this, the 3, the 6, and the 9, you get that $100 paid out within 72 hours. If you added 6 people today, you get $200 within 72 hours. If you added them all this week, by next week, you'd have $300 in your account. It's a great bonus, and it's for this month only. Now, let me break it all down for you. I want you to really understand how you can do this and it not feel overwhelming. So this is how you go gold and make somewhere just shy of $2,000. This looks like 20 ambassadors, 9 of them you have personally recruited in your first 30 days. So if this is your first 30 days, buckle up. And if you have passed your first 30 days, I want you to figure out where this applies to you and who you can bring along for this journey. You ready? First things first. You have recruited 9 personal ambassadors with, $99 welcome packs. We haven't quite had a $19 welcome pack, so $99 welcome pack. So 9 times that $25 is $225. Then your team somewhere has added 11 $99 welcome packs, which equals $137.50 because you get paid $12.50 on those level 2 welcome packs. If you had 20 people in your level 1s and 2s, which we just talked about how that would look, that's 100 points. That equals $275 based on what we're looking at as the average pay point right now. Maybe higher, maybe slightly lower. Okay, for ranking to silver, you get $100, just $100. For ranking senior silver, you get $150. And doing it before your first calendar month, you get another $150. So that's $300. Then ranking gold, you get $250. And doing it before your second calendar month, another $250. That's $500. And then for adding your 9 new level 1 ambassadors during Enroll and Earn, you're gonna get $300. So we're actually gonna adjust this to being $1,837.50. That's still a really, really good price. And really, really good commissions. And remember, these are gonna be some paid out within 72 hours, some paid the following Friday, and some paid on your monthly commissions check. So you'll just be getting paid. It's a really good deal. So if you have any questions, get back with the person that invited you. I hope you really enjoyed this presentation. I hope it clarified some things, and I cannot wait to see what you do with all of this information. Have a great day.